Hey, what is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of rearranging. Got the workbench going sideways, got the 4Runner going in, we got something else coming in right here. Trying to leave this extra bay open so we can still have the everyday come and go projects. So today we just had dropped off a 95 Nissan Pathfinder. We are going to do front and rear solid axle conversion. We are looking for some Chevy axles with disc brakes. We're gonna 4-link it front and rear and put it on 37s. Eventually we're gonna do a front bumper, possibly a rear bumper. We're gonna try to get the axles in. We're gonna order some Fox shocks. We're thinking of going the air shock route on this one. It's gonna be a trail rig. Nothing too serious. He's trying to get a new daily. He's gonna make this into a toy. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pull it in. We're gonna get the bumper off. We're gonna get the wheels and tires off, get it up on jack stands, and we're gonna start getting it down to bare frame, and then we're gonna plate the frame. And hopefully around that time we'll find some axles, go pick up some axles. I already started ordering some Heims and stuff. We have to go pick up some steel for the links that we're gonna make, and that's gonna be it. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna film it and time lapse it and check in here and there. We're gonna show you the process of doing a 4-link and an axle swap. So this is the first time I'm ever doing it on a Pathfinder. I have done it on a handful of other vehicles. They all typically go the same, so I don't think we'll run into any issues. If we do, we'll figure it out as we go. So let's get started. Alright guys, here we go. 2001 Cummins axles. Got them loaded up, strapped down. We're gonna head back to the shop. All right, everybody, check it out. I am going to hoist the front Cummins axle that is for the Pathfinder. I'm gonna get it up on the table here. We're gonna put it on the jack stand so that way I can start grinding it and get it ready for the truss. The truss kit should be in any day now. So I'm gonna get it all cleaned up, get all these old linkage brackets off, get the old shock tabs off, get everything off, get it down to nice clean metal, get it ready to weld the truss on and start getting it set up for links. And then we're gonna put it back down here on the ground, get it all lined up, and then we'll start doing the 4 links. So let's get it on the table. All right, everybody, so that's gonna be a wrap for part 1 of our solid axle swap video on the Nissan Pathfinder. Quick little run through. Got the frame cleaned up on both sides, getting ready to plate it. Do a little reinforcement plate with a little bit of decoration tied into it. Got a whole front end strip, got the bumper off. Got the axle, probably 90% cleaned. I'm going to finish, I'm gonna take the tie rods off, get them out of the way. Just finished cleaning it up. I'm gonna do that off video, but it's pretty close. Just so everyone knows, we do make and sell handcrafted metal flowers. If anyone wants to pick some up for their mom or grandma or girlfriend, or they're pretty cool. Sell those for $100 a set if we're shipping them, or if local pickup, $80 if we don't have to ship them. So they're pretty cool, all made out of steel, all laser cut out, shaped, all welded together, clear coated. So that's gonna be a wrap. Keep your eye open for part 2. Peace.